Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 81, Constructions, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Which of the following steps is incorrect to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeters at a point P on it without using the center of the circle? See this, there is a circle and we have to draw a tangent at point P. That is the requirement. So our first steps are like this. First take point P, then draw a chord PQ, then take any point R on the major arc, not on the minor arc. Okay. Then join PR and RQ. Draw PT such that angle QPT is equal to QRP. Then this PT is the required tangent. Now let's look at what is given in the problem. Here, circle of radius 5, okay. P on it, okay. Any chord P, okay. Take point R on minor arc. Now that is wrong. Step 4 is wrong. Okay. Remaining all steps okay. So just 4 is wrong. So answer is B. This. Okay. Let's move on. Next. Arrange the following steps of construction while dividing a line segment of length 8 cm in the ratio internally in the ratio 3:4. Next, arrange the following steps of construction while dividing a line segment of length 8 cm internally in the ratio 3:4. Okay. See here, these basic steps of dividing this segment we have learned in our earlier standards. Quite easy. What you do is divide 8 centimeters. Then next step is take any acute angle. Now important is the total length of this should be 7. Why 7? Because the ratio we want is 3:4, means 4 plus 3 is 7. That's why 7. Whatever is the total of this, you take that length. Then divide this into 7 equal parts of 1 centimeter each. Then take similar ray on the other side of same 7 centimeter. Same angle, the acute angle should be the same, right? Next, join the third point from below for both, and then you get is 3 is the ratio of this and 4 is the ratio of this side. So you got it. So here obviously the first step will be take a line segment AB of length 8, right? So step 3. Whichever has all have step 3. So all. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.